Well, hey there, it's Jen.
And Elke, welcome back to the Jen and Elke Show, where we love talking about print-on-demand strategy and marketing. I switched that up just in case you just didn't realize it. And today, again, this is our product video that we want to give you a very short tip so that you can make money on the platform Zazzle or any other print-on-demand platform such as Etsy or Shopify that you're using to sell products to people who are all over the world, right? Because that's our audience. Now, Father's Day is celebrated mainly June, 15th? But then we have another Father's Day for the people on the other side of the world in Australia around in September or October? When is
September.
September? Awesome. And so we have two selling periods where we can sell as a Father's Day gift. So today we're getting you primed and ready to make sure that you have these in your Etsy store, your Zazzle store, whatever, so that you can sell Father's Day gifts to this big market, which is a niche on its own, really. And if they don't sell for Father's Day, they can be gifts for Dad later. So that's why we love these strategies, and we hope that you love them too. And tell us in the chat below if you're making money off of all of our tips, because that's what we love. And then that way you can afford to come into our coaching so you can really make money. Okay, so let's get into the gifts for Father's Day. This is a short and sweet video. We're going to just focus on literally being as strategic as possible, because everyone always goes, well, what should I do to sell on the Zazzle platform? And guess what? It's actually not that hard to figure it out, because Zazzle literally makes the page up. And so you can look here under, what's the URL? It's not showing here in the...
It's zazzle.com/dad plus gifts.
Yeah, exactly. So here we go. And so let's go through there, pick some of these things. And it even gives you themes like best dad ever, retro, typography, masculine father, grill master, modern. Can't go wrong with those. Those are keywords and their themes. Pick one, pick all of them, make stuff, sell, print money. Okay, but the key here is that you can't copy. Okay, so if you see that exact design, don't stick it in an AI generator and go like, make me something similar. Because first of all, AI doesn't do as good a job as you think it does, because that is the difference as to why certain things on the platform or anywhere sell more than another thing, is because someone actually put the effort in to make it an intentional design, which is what we teach. And any AI that copies that isn't going to bring the same intentionality to it. It won't have the same colorways, the same fonts, the same everything that actually makes these ones good sellers. So do your own and figure it out. Come into our courses if you need to really fully understand it. But please don't do the AI trick, because it's just a trick and it's tricking you more than it's tricking anyone else. Okay. Plus, if you start to become a popular seller, then people are going to start to use AI on your stuff. And when you don't sell as much because everyone's copying it using AI, and you don't report it because you can take people down, and because it's copyright violation, then you're going to lose your sales, which you don't want, right? So let's all behave and play in this playground together. All right, so let's get into these options. You can see already there's hats, there's aprons, there's t-shirts, there's mugs, and there's baseballs. And as much as this is like, oh my gosh, can you give your dad another mug for heaven's sakes? Yes, you can, because those are the things that sell the most. And so you want to have those in your store as products, okay? We know clients of ours who've sold like a single baseball so many times that they've made like tens of thousands of dollars. It's awesome. So get in there and do your own design and offer those in your store, and let's see how you do this Father's Day. Make sure you comment down below to let us know how you're doing. Okay, so get in there. We're not going to show that many products because you can already see them. I want you to do that research so that you start to get familiar with how to use the platform. You don't need Everbee. You don't need all these other things. You just need to have your own creative skills where you go like, okay, I can bring something new and different to this market, and that will bring you to the top and create bestsellers for you. Okay, so happy Father's Day.
Happy Father's Day. And if you want some help on finding other niches as well, let's say you decided to get into the Father's Day market and now you want more information on what other products to make on Zazzle, well, we have a great download for you to help you figure out the top niches and top products within those niches. The link is in the description below. Make sure that you download that so that we can help you move into other areas besides Father's Day. But make sure that you go on ahead and make Father's Day gifts and products as well, because it's highly lucrative if you tap into that market. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.